Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today I am going to discuss another problem on departmental accounting. This is lecture number 8 and you can find the other lectures in the playlist section of the channel. I would like to request all the viewers to subscribe the channel and to share this channel among the students of commerce who can be benefited with the lectures on accounts, costing, financial management and management accounting. O and K are two departments of Red Company of Kolkata. O department sells goods to K department at normal market price. From the following particulars, prepare a trading and profit and loss account of the two departments for the year ended 31st March 2021. So we have 4 columns. So in column 1 we have particulars, then O department, then K department and the general expenses. So stock on 1st April 2020, the opening stock of O department is 12,000 and there is no stock in department K. Purchases 2,76,000 and 24,000. Goods from O department to K department is for 84,000. Wages 12,000 and 19,200. Salaries 8,000 and 5,000. Stock on 31st March 21 at cost to department 60,000 for department O and 21,600 for department K. Sales 2,76,000 for department O and 1,74,000 for department K. Stationery and printing 2,560 and 1,960. Salaries 18,000 and this is a common expense for both the department. Then miscellaneous expenses 3,600, advertisement 9,600, bank charges 2,400. 18,600 of the closing stock of K department represents stock transferred from O department. Depreciate plant and machinery by 10%. The general unallocated expenses are to be proportioned between O and K in the ratio of 3:2. So here I have prepared the structure of the departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 21. So on the debit side, I have written particulars in department O and K, and on the credit side also I have written the particulars and the department O and K. So the first figure given in the question is regarding the opening stock that we are going to record here on the debit side of the trading account. So I am writing opening stock and the amount is for rupees 12,000 for department O and there were no opening stock in department K. Then we have to record the amount of purchases as given in the question. So 2 purchases 2,76,000 for department O and 24,000 for department K. Then transfer from department O. So on the credit side of department O, I have to write by transfer. And the amount transferred from department O is for 84,000. That will be recorded on the debit side of the department K. So here I will write to transfer 84,000. Then we have to record the amount of wages paid for department O is for 12,000 and 19,200 is the wages for department K. Then the salaries. So this is an item of profit and loss account. So I have to leave some space here and here I am writing 2 salaries 8,000 and 5,000. 8,000 for department O and 5,000 for department K. Then we have the closing stock of both the department given. So in the trading account I have to write leaving one space for to record the sales and I am writing here by closing stock. So closing stock is for rupees 60,000 in department O and 21,600 for department K. Then the amount of sales, I have to record it here. 2,76,000 is the sales of Department O and 1,74,000 is the sales of Department K. Then the amount of stationery and printing. So this is also an item of profit and loss account. So in PL account I am writing to stationery and printing. This is for 2,560 and 1,960. Then the depreciation of Department K. So we have a plant and machinery in Department K and the amount of plant machinery given is 14,400 and depreciation to be charged at the rate of 10%. So here I am writing in profit and loss account to depreciation, and in Department K I am recording 1,440. This is 10% of 14,400, which is the value of plant and machinery. Then there are certain unallocated expenses, so we have to allocate in the ratio of 3:2. So to allocate the unallocated expenses to both the department, here I am preparing a small working, and this is working note number 1. So allocation of general expenses. So the first item is salaries, which is 18,000. Then we have miscellaneous expenses for 3,600. Then advertisement for rupees 9,600. Then bank charges for rupees 2,400. So we have 4 unallocated expenses and the total amount is 33,600. This general expense or unallocated expense to be allocated to Department O in the ratio of 3:2. So O department will be getting 3/5 into 13,600. So we have 20,160, and K 2/5 multiply it with 33,600, you will get 13,440. So in profit and loss account, I have to record this as general expenses as 20,160 and 13,440. So all the items which are given as expenses I have recorded. So first I will close the trading account. So total of the credit side of Department O, we have 4,20,000, and the balancing figure is the gross profit. So gross profit of Department O, you will calculate at 1,20,000. Then total of the credit side of Department K, we have 1,95,600, and the gross profit, which is the balancing figure, we will get 68,400 in Department K. So the gross profit will be recorded in the credit side of profit and loss account as 1,20,000 and 68,400. Now we will close the profit and loss account of both the department, and the balancing figure in Department O, which is the net profit, is for rupees 89,280. And the net profit of Department K is for 46,560. Now there is a transfer of 84,000 by Department O to Department K. Now it is given in the question that the closing stock of Department K has 18,600, which is the stock transferred by Department O. and O has transferred to Department K at normal selling price, this means that there is an unrealized profit in stock. So we have to calculate what is the amount of unrealized profit in stock. So for that purpose, I need to calculate a small working. So this is working note number 2. So here first we have to calculate the gross profit rate of Department O. So gross profit of Department O is 1,20,000 divided by the sales amount, that is 2,76,000 is the sales to outside, and 84,000 is the amount of sales transferred to Department K. So 1,20,000 divided by 3,60,000 multiplied with 100. So the gross profit rate of Department O is 33 1/3%. So now we have to calculate what is the amount of unrealized profit in stock. So we have to write here the general profit and loss account. And on the credit side, I am writing by net profit of both the department, 89,280 plus 46,560. You will get 1,35,840. So to provision for unrealized profit in stock, 18,600 is the amount of closing stock of Department K that has been transferred by Department O, multiplied with 33 1/3%. This is the GP rate of Department O. So 6,200 is the unrealized profit which is there in the stock. So the net profit of the company, that is rate company, so I have to write here as general net profit, we have 1,29,640. So the net profit of Department O is 89,280 and the net profit of Department K is 46,560 and the overall net profit of the company is 1,29,640. So please have a look at the solution that I have prepared here. So first we have prepared the trading and profit and loss account and then the general profit and loss account of the company. And in the working I have prepared the unallocated expenses and I have allocated to Department O and K in the ratio of 3:2. And in the second working note, I have prepared the GP rate of Department O. Hope all the students have recorded the questions with solution. And if you find any difficulty in understanding, feel free to contact me through email and the contact number given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.